The 2025 Toyota Campervan is a thoughtfully engineered vehicle that blends practicality, comfort, and modern technology into a compact mobile living space designed for both daily commuting and extended road trips. Built on a reliable and proven platform, it carries Toyota's strong legacy of durability and efficiency while pushing boundaries to meet the needs of a growing population of adventure seekers and digital nomads. What sets this campervan apart is how effortlessly it transitions between being a capable van and a fully functional home on wheels. With a bold, modern exterior, the design features a high roofline for extra headroom, clean aerodynamic lines, and signature LED lighting that enhances visibility and aesthetics. Optional features like integrated solar panels, a retractable side awning, and modular roof racks elevate its capability, making it ideal for off-grid camping or overlanding. Despite its rugged enhancements, it still maintains a sleek, urban-friendly appearance that fits just as well in the city as it does deep in the countryside. Under the hood, the campervan is available with two engine options to cater to different needs and preferences. The first is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid powertrain, which offers excellent fuel economy and low emissions, a major benefit for those planning long-distance travel. The hybrid setup combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor, providing smooth power delivery and the ability to operate efficiently even in stop-and-go traffic or when idling at campsites. For users wanting more flexibility, especially in urban areas with zero-emissions zones, Toyota offers a plug-in hybrid variant. This version allows the campervan to travel short distances on electric power alone, making it ideal for quick errands or camping without the need to start the engine. Both powertrains are paired with an electronically controlled continuously variable transmission (ECVT) that ensures seamless shifting and a quiet, refined driving experience. Driving the 2025 Toyota Campervan feels surprisingly nimble for a vehicle of its size. Toyota has fine-tuned the suspension to absorb road imperfections while maintaining excellent stability on the highway. The steering is light but responsive, making it easy to navigate through narrow streets, tight campground entrances, or winding mountain roads. For those who plan to explore off the beaten path, the campervan offers an optional all-wheel drive system. Combined with all-terrain tires and increased ground clearance, this upgrade allows the campervan to handle muddy tracks, gravel roads, and snowy conditions with confidence. Despite its adventurous capabilities, it still retains a tight turning radius, which makes parking in urban environments or maneuvering through gas stations and campgrounds stress-free. Inside, the campervan is a marvel of compact design and efficient use of space. The interior is crafted with high-quality, lightweight materials that enhance comfort without compromising fuel efficiency. The main living area features a convertible lounge setup with cushioned benches that can transform into a bed, suitable for two adults. Additional sleeping options like a pop-top roof with a secondary bed or an inflatable tent extension are available in higher trims, making it suitable for small families or groups. The kitchenette is compact yet complete, including a dual-burner induction cooktop, a 50-liter fridge-freezer combo, a stainless steel sink with a water pump, and plenty of overhead and under-counter storage. The modular kitchen unit is designed to be both functional and easy to clean, using materials like bamboo countertops and anti-slip drawers that stay secure while driving. Lighting plays a big role in enhancing the feeling of space and comfort inside the campervan. Large side windows, a skylight, and LED ambient lighting create a bright and open atmosphere during the day, while blackout curtains and insulated window covers ensure privacy and thermal efficiency at night. Toyota has also incorporated a range of smart technologies into the cabin, including a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system with built-in GPS, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and integrated voice control. The dashboard also features digital driver displays and customizable readouts for things like battery levels, energy consumption, and vehicle diagnostics. For connectivity on the go, optional Wi-Fi hotspots and multiple USB-C and standard charging ports are available, supporting digital nomads who need to work remotely. Comfort was clearly a top priority in the campervan's interior design. Swiveling front seats integrate seamlessly into the living space, and a collapsible dining table provides a convenient area for eating, working, or socializing. The floor is insulated and water-resistant, making it easy to maintain even in muddy or wet conditions. Climate control is handled by a dual-zone system, with options for a rooftop air conditioning unit and a diesel-powered heater that allows for year-round use. Additional insulation in the walls and roof helps regulate interior temperatures and reduce noise, ensuring restful sleep even in noisy environments or extreme weather. For hygiene and convenience, a rear-mounted outdoor shower is standard, and select trims offer a built-in cassette toilet and compact wet bath, increasing comfort for extended off-grid adventures. Storage is another standout feature in the 2025 Toyota Campervan. Every nook and cranny has been designed with functionality in mind, including overhead bins, under-bench compartments, and sliding drawers that are both deep and accessible. A dedicated gear garage in the rear allows users to store bikes, hiking gear, or even small kayaks, thanks to adjustable tie-down points and weather-resistant flooring. The Campervan also includes a built-in fresh water tank and gray water reservoir with easy access drain points, supporting simple setup and cleanup at campgrounds or remote campsites. There's even an optional app that connects to the Campervan's onboard systems, allowing users to monitor water levels, battery charge, and temperature remotely from their phone. Toyota's reputation for safety extends to its Campervan lineup, with the 2025 model coming equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense as standard. This suite includes pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, dynamic radar cruise control, and road sign recognition. Additional features such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system make it easy to drive and park such a large vehicle, giving both new and experienced drivers added confidence. These systems not only make highway driving safer but are also especially useful in low-speed scenarios like maneuvering through crowded campsites or backing into tight parking spots. In terms of real-world usability, the Campervan excels. It's designed to be a vehicle you can drive daily yet pack up and take on a spontaneous weekend escape without needing much preparation. The hybrid powertrain keeps fuel costs low, while the robust build and simple maintenance requirements ensure long-term reliability. With a vast service network and parts availability that comes with the Toyota brand, owners can have peace of mind knowing that support is always close by, no matter where the road takes them. In the end, the 2025 Toyota Campervan represents a perfect marriage between practicality and passion for exploration. It appeals to a broad spectrum of users, from first-time vanlifers to seasoned road warriors, by offering a comfortable, connected, and capable mobile home that doesn't sacrifice the fundamentals of driving quality and mechanical reliability. With its smart use of space, advanced technology, and off-grid capabilities, it opens the door to a new level of freedom and independence. Whether you're chasing sunsets on coastal highways, setting up camp in a national park, or simply enjoying the open road, the Toyota